Ebru Yıldız, the Metals and Mining Sales Manager for European end users at Emerson. I'd like to share a success story from one of our customers, a mining company in Turkey. In our customer's sulfuric acid application, they encountered numerous challenges related to flow and vacuum level measurement. These challenges were amplified due to aggressive and corrosive nature of the sulfuric acid compounded by the dusty environment. By implementing our solutions, we enabled our customer to achieve reliable and accurate measurement while ensuring smooth installation. The integration of remote-type magmeter and hard functionality not only improved the efficiency of their operations, but also provided better control over industrial processes. This enhanced level of control minimized errors and optimized efficiency, ultimately leading to improved overall performance. Moreover, the inclusion of an air cleaning inlet in the radar level transmitter ensured uninterrupted processes even in dusty environments.